Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good and are safe wherever you are. Today I made chocolate brownie. So let's start the preparations. Have a quick look. Crush dark chocolate roughly. Add 4 tablespoons of dark chocolate and 3 pieces of salted butter. Microwave for 30 seconds. Give a mix. Keep it aside. All-purpose flour, take 6 tablespoons. Three tablespoons sugar and a pinch of salt. Give a mix. Add melted chocolate and give a mix. Add 5 to 8 tablespoons of milk and mix well. Now the batter is ready. Grease baking tray with oil. Spread the oil all over. Pour the batter and spread evenly. Add some dark chocolate and some choco chips. Microwave for 2 minutes. brownie is ready. Here is 1 cup of whipped cream and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Beat well until the whipped cream looks slightly thick. For garnishing, drizzle some whipped cream and some date syrup. Enjoy your chocolate brownie. It's simple but delicious. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, share and comment my YouTube channel. See you with another vlog. Until, take care. Bye bye.